got her bow, ready to shine, ready to glow.
Time for perfect balloon. Please augment class action.
We're going to start by pumping up our 260 black balloon and tie a knot. We're going to start by making a pinch twist, and then an 8 cm bubble, and then another pinch twist. We're going to make another 8 cm bubble and tie it to the other pinch twist, and again another 8 cm bubble tied to the pinch twist on the other side, and again an 8 cm bubble and tying it to the pinch twist on the other side. And then we're going to make 2 3 cm bubbles, stretching it and tying it to the pinch twist on the other side. You can now cut off the rest of your black balloon, and then using that tail we're going to stretch it and tying it to the pinch twist on the other side to secure it. Now we're going to pump up our 260 yellow balloon and tie a knot. And then we're going to attach it to a pinch twist on one of the sides. And then we're going to make 2 3 cm bubbles and then a pinch twist. And then another 2 3 cm bubbles. And then we're going to tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. And then you can now cut off the rest of that balloon, but make sure to leave a really long tail. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab that tail, we're going to thread it through the middle pinch twist, and then we're going to tie it back to the pinch twist on the other side. We're going to shove that pinch twist inside his head. So now the ears are secure. And then now what we're going to do with our blue balloon is we're going to pump it up just a little bit and then letting out all the air, and then we're going to tie a knot. So there's just a little bit of air in that little piece of balloon. What we're going to do is tie it to one of the pinch twists, stretching it over and tying it to the pinch twist on the other side. So now it has a little collar. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to grab a white marker and we're going to draw on the circular eyes, but make sure to leave a little black spot. And then we're going to draw on a little circular nose and draw on some whiskers on either side. And then we're going to grab a red marker and coloring in the nose. And then we're going to grab a black marker and just coloring in the eyes a little better. And your Balloon Chococat is complete.
Well, I have a Balloon Chococat. Please comment down below what you want to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.